Hey guys, happy Thursday. I'm back. I'm so sorry about last night. I know I didn't come on and I said I would. I ended up falling asleep with the baby before like 9 o'clock. So sorry, but no worries because I'm here to go over all of yesterday and today with y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all 1 second while I get situated. Okay. Well, if you're watching this on replay, hit replay, and if you're watching this live, say hey or whatever. I'm gonna try to go through this as quick as possible because it is late. I had to take notes. We had a thing at Heidi's school. I've been busy all day, moving my mom. It's been crazy. So I'm going to try to hurry up so I can get some sleep because I have to wake up for work in the morning. All right. What I'm going to be talking about today, your solutions for longer, fuller, thicker lashes, natural. Who doesn't want that? I think everyone. And longer nails, stronger nails, and lips, big, full lips. So luscious lips, my husband said. Who doesn't want all of that? So we're going to be talking about all 3 of those solutions tonight. Okay, I'm going to try to make this painless and quick, okay? First, we're going to go over our lash extend. All right, which is right here. And we have it in black and clear. What's really cool about this is the black is actually used as an eyeliner during the day. It is water resistant, smudge proof, fudge proof, all that. And while you're using it as liner, it is growing your lashes. That's the coolest thing. You know I love my 2-in-1s, y'all. But, and we also have the clear, which you use at nighttime, or I guess you can use during the day under a regular liner if that's really what you want to use. But, why not get the black? But, I mean, the clear you use at nighttime. That's really cool. I'm so excited to get this. All right, so I'm going to read it for y'all. This is the Lash Extend. The clear is 50 and the colored is 55. And it says, say goodbye to false lashes and expensive extensions by naturally and safely enhancing your gorgeous gaze with this non-drug lash lengthener. Results rival prescription treatments that cost over twice as much. Choose clear treatment for twice daily use or water-resistant black liquid liner for brilliantly lined eyes and luscious lashes in 1 easy step. So I will be getting the black for sure. I'm not sure about the clear because I'm going to get the next product I'm talking about too. So if I feel like it's not working for my lashes, then I'll get the clear too and see if I just need, you know, more than just the black during the day. But the next one is, so that was our lash extend. I'm sorry. What it has in it is seen peptide, and that stimulates the hair growth. So that's what's going to make them grow. Chamomile extract, which is an anti-irritant with soothing properties, and white tea extract, which is a powerful antioxidant. So that is what is in our lash extend. And so that's really, really cool. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. All right, now this is for your lashes too. This is something else that is going to put them in great condition and grow them. This is called our lash builder right here. Now you can get it in the 20 ounce, which is, you know, like this big, like a regular size, or you can get it in, it comes with the lash builder and mascara in one. But when you get that, I want to say the mascara on the end of this tube is not waterproof, it's water resistant, and if the big mascara in the 20 ounce is waterproof. So that's where they're different. I'm pretty sure on that one. But this is really cool. It says Before lash ends, coat your lashes with this effective lengthener and builder that also delivers deep hydration to damaged lashes. Undersense helps you build the longest, fullest lashes you've ever had. Now, if you checked out my page yesterday and you saw all the before and afters, this stuff's amazing. Now, I have the mascara, and I'm ordering the big lash builder to go with it. So, because I want to start growing my lashes. It'd be great not to wear fake ones. I'm so excited. So, those are our two things for our big, beautiful lashes. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to try to go quick, y'all. Now we're going to go to nail extend. So you can have long, beautiful nails that are all yours and not fake. But and also that are not going to break and chip and, you know, do all things that nails seem to do. Hi, Megan. Hi, honey. Oh, stuff came in. It just came in today. So I have your Nengai oil. I'm so excited. So we need to pick a day because I have to do your lashes too. So, yes. And you have to try the skincare. Okay. Anyways, nail extend. It's a nail strengthener and lengthener. It's going to help repair damaged nails. That's its job. This unique delivery system utilizes protective ingredients including Simplex Complex, vitamins, growth-enhancing peptides, and powerful moisturizers to strengthen nails and help stimulate growth to continued, growth. Oh, sorry. There was supposed to be a pair there. Continued use will help to guard nails from splitting and cracking and promote natural, healthy new nails. You can use it as a daily cuticle treatment on polished or natural nails. So that is our nail extend. So I will be getting that to try too because it would be great to have hard nails I can just put gel polish on. That would be cool. Okay. Now we're going to lips. And this is the last one, so I'm almost done. This is, I mean, yes. This is our lip volumizer, y'all. And this thing is so amazing. Okay. No more injections. You don't need them, okay, because this is going to be a natural solution. It's not going to burn. It's not going to give you that tingle, that hurting feeling. This stuff is amazing I mean, just because I've seen actual, like, real people use it. I haven't used it because I'm very happy with the size of my lips. I feel like they're a little big. But, I may try to use it just because, I want to see it's supposed to deliver a lot of moisture. So, yes, I'm excited. Hi, Samantha. Hi, honey. Okay, the lip volumizer. Get lasting results of full pouty lips without the use of irritants. This proprietary? How do you say that? Yeah, you want to read it, babe? Here you go. He's going to read it.
I'm not going to read it. Proprietary.
Proprietary?
That's right.
Thank you, babe. Proprietary formula is based on the most advanced and natural technologies. Plumping lips from the insular and feathering and cracked lips will be eliminated with continued use. So that's why I want it, because I mean I have super dry lips just like all of my skin. So I want to see if it, you know, you have all these wrinkles in your lips and stuff. I just want to see if it'll get rid of them. Like I don't want like, you know, huge lips, but maybe it'll just like make them smooth. I don't know. I hope. We'll see. But that is a lip volumizer, and it has volumizing complex, which is proprietary blend of peptides and botanicals, and Kiss Me Quick Plant. That's the name of the plant. That's pretty cool. Helps boost collagen production and increase moisture. So that's what that does. Lip volumizer, you got to go look at the before and afters because it's amazing. Just like the lash extend, it blows my mind. I cannot wait to try these products. But that is it. I'm going to get off of here if no one has any questions and get to getting ready for bed because it's way past my bedtime.
Show me colors.
What?
Show me your colors.
Oh, where are they at? Where's the box?
Box. Oh, what is it?
Okay.
Wow.
I'm not going to get off yet. I have something to show y'all. I'm so excited. I got some new colors. Okay. I don't know if you saw me post a while ago. Well, it wasn't a while ago. I guess it was like a week or so ago. There was the Prism of colors. Like these 5 insane colors. Well, I got them, of course. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try these on. I mean, I just got them today, and I've only put them on my hand because I've been, you know, moving my mom. I was going to put lipstick on today. I just have my gold glitter gloss because that's appropriate for moving. That's appropriate for lifting heavy things. But, y'all, I am so excited. So, I need someone to tell me what color they're going to want me to demo first. And I'll demo like tomorrow or something. Actually, I might wear one of these tomorrow. These are it. Y'all, these are really cool. This is purple. Purple is beautiful though. It's so pretty. It's called Lilac Liqueur. Lilac Liqueur. This one is a Mod Magenta. So it's like, it's a magenta, but it's like on the reddish side to me, but it is really pretty. Well, bright pink. Maybe it will turn out bright pink. This one, of course, I am excited about this. Pop Art Pink is beautiful. It's so pretty. I can't wait. And these two scare the crap out of me. Not gonna lie. These two, the reason I got all 5 of them was because, well, for one, I want to do some cool things. But I'm doing this contest. Someone's doing to get, I'll get 10 free lip colors if I win. So, and I had to get all of the colors though, and take pictures with them on. So, hopefully I win, y'all. Get 10 free colors. But anyways, and I thought it was fun to have these bright colors anyway. I mean, but these 2 blues, I don't know if I can pull off blue lipstick on like a non-Halloween night, you know. I don't know, y'all, because this blue is super bright, and then this other one is, well, it looks black here, but it's not. It's a dark blue, and that one's that one. Huh? Yeah, I'm showing it. It's a dark blue. I don't know. I think I would wear this one more over this. Like that's freaking blue, y'all. But I'm gonna have to put it on and take pictures for the contest, so y'all will get to see this one regardless. But I mean, I'll demo all of them for y'all. But I am these 3. I'm stoked about. I'm stoked about. Why I'm okay with wearing purple lips and not blue, I don't know. I think it just like brings me back to like my childhood, to where like we had to wear like blue eyeshadow, and I'm pretty sure I had blue lipstick too. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, that just wasn't, I don't think it was a good look. But I see it on some people, like, I don't know if they're just doing it for pictures, or if they're really, like, out like that, and it looks so good on them. It does, but I just don't know if I can. I'm just not a blue. Blue's not necessarily my color. I like these. I like pinks and purples. Yeah. But, hey, I'm going to try them anyway. So that's exciting. And that was it. I just wanted to show them to y'all real quick. And I'm going to get off of here. And y'all check out the before and afters. And if you have any questions, just message me. And I will be back tomorrow is the exfoliators for your face. So that's exciting. Get rid of dead skin and make your face beautiful. Love it. But I will see y'all tomorrow, and y'all have a great rest of your Thursday. Bye.